Αγαπητοί, είπατε εκπρόσωπε, αναφερθήκατε προηγουμένως στη Συρία και θέλω να υπενθυμίσω ότι είναι υποχρέωση της Ευρωπαϊκής Ένωσης να προστατεύει κάθε θρησκευτική και εθνική κοινότητα στη Μέση Ανατολή. Αλλά δυστυχώς στη Συρία οι σφαγές και οι διώξεις συνεχίζονται απέναντι σε εθνικές και θρησκευτικές κοινότητες όπως οι χριστιανοί, οι Αλαουίτες και οι Κούρδοι. Ποια είναι η λογοδοσία του καθεστώτος απέναντι στην Ευρωπαϊκή Ένωση στο πλαίσιο της διμερούς συνεργασίας που υπάρχει και πώς σκοπεύετε να κινηθείτε από εδώ και μπρος προκειμένου το καθεστώς της Συρίας σήμερα να συμμορφωθεί και να σταματήσει επιτέλους διώξεις απέναντι σε εθνικές και θρησκευτικές κοινότητες που περιλαμβάνουν χιλιάδες συνανθρώπου μας στην περιοχή. Ευχαριστώ.
High Representative.
Thank you. When the Assad regime fell, we actually decided that, we should give Syria a chance. And we had meetings in Jordan, we had meetings in Saudi Arabia with all the regional partners as well as the international actors like European Union, like United States, to really, give Syria a chance because this means also more stability for the region. Now, of course, we are also asking the inclusivity of the government and also try to help them in different ways so that they can address all these issues. I absolutely agree with you. Practicing religion and considering Syria has a very different groups, it has to comprise and give a chance to all of them. So we had the high-level political dialogue with Syria last week, where we also were addressing all these issues and also asking where they need help. And I'm in contact with the regional partners as well in terms of where they need help, where can we help, where can they help. For example, the reform of their systems so that there is accountability for the crimes committed. And, it's not easy also for them. We can't say that it's all stable and peaceful. Like you mentioned, there are, events happening. But I think when we have the choice of really engaging with them or not engaging with them, then we had the sanctions in place for the Assad regime. When it fell, we took the decision that we are trying to help them also on their path to have inclusivity. Thank you.